Embarking on a journey to burn fat and improve your overall health is a commendable decision. While there's no single magic bullet for fat loss, starting with a structured approach can set you up for long-term success. Here are 5 essential steps to kickstart your fat-burning journey. 1. Set clear, achievable goals. Before diving into any new health regimen, it's crucial to establish clear, realistic goals. Instead of vague ambitions like "I want to lose weight," specify your objectives with tangible metrics. For example, "I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 2 months" provides a concrete target. Break these goals down into smaller milestones such as weekly weight loss targets or incremental improvements in physical performance. This approach helps maintain motivation and provides a sense of accomplishment as you achieve each step. In addition, remember that it is suggested to lose 0.5% of your body weight per week to avoid losing muscle mass. You want to lose fat, not muscle. 2. Adopt a balanced diet. Your diet plays a pivotal role in fat loss. Focus on creating a calorie deficit, where you consume fewer calories than you expend. However, it's essential to do this without compromising your nutritional needs. Incorporate a variety of whole foods into your diet, including lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables, which will keep you satiated. Protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, and legumes help build muscle, which can enhance your metabolic rate. Additionally, healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil support overall health and satiety. Avoid or limit highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive amounts of refined carbohydrates, as these can lead to weight gain and poor health. If you're just starting, by cutting, for example, sugary sodas or replacing fried foods by steamed or roasted food, you will make a lot of progress. Don't try extreme diets. It is already proven they are not effective, and you will rebound after you cannot sustain it anymore. 3. Establish a consistent exercise routine. Exercise is a cornerstone of fat loss. Aim to incorporate both cardiovascular and strength training exercises into your routine. Cardiovascular activities such as running, cycling, or swimming increase calorie burn and improve cardiovascular health. Start with 1 or 2 15-minute sessions per week, and as time goes by, increase the number of sessions or the time. Strength training, on the other hand, builds muscle, which can boost your resting metabolic rate. Create a routine at the gym and include exercises targeting major muscle groups at least twice a week. Keep a register of the weights you are using and try to add more weight to the sets every week while keeping a good technique. Don't overlook the benefits of flexibility and balance exercises like yoga or stretching, which enhance overall fitness and reduce the risk of injury. If you're a beginner, just by moving more or starting to walk every day, you will start burning fat. Keep increasing the daily steps on a weekly basis. Remember, there always needs to be a certain way to progress. 4. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is often an overlooked component of fat loss. Poor sleep can disrupt hormone levels that regulate hunger and appetite, leading to increased cravings and potentially overeating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your fat-burning goals. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same times every day. Create a restful environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bed, as these can interfere with your sleep quality. Prioritizing good sleep can improve energy levels, enhance mood, and optimize your body's ability to burn fat. 5. Stay hydrated. Hydration is another critical, yet sometimes overlooked aspect of fat loss. Water plays a vital role in various bodily functions, including metabolism and the breakdown of fat. Drinking enough water helps maintain optimal metabolic function and can also prevent overeating, as thirst is sometimes mistaken for hunger. Whenever you're feeling hungry and want a snack, drink a glass of water first to be sure it is really hunger what you feel. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters of water per day, and adjust this amount based on your activity level and climate. Incorporating water-rich, low-calorie foods like cucumber, watermelon, or grapefruit can also contribute to your hydration needs. Starting your fat-burning journey involves more than just adopting a new diet or exercise routine. It requires a holistic approach that integrates goal setting, nutrition, physical activity, sleep, and hydration. By focusing on these 5 initial steps, you'll create a strong foundation for achieving sustainable fat loss and enhancing your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key, and gradual, steady progress is more effective and manageable than drastic, short-term changes. With patience and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to reaching your fat-burning goals and improving your health. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more smart living advice.